Welcome to the Man and the Pan. Today I'm going to show you a good trick. I was going to have pork chops tonight, but all of a sudden a lot of people come into my house. All we need is pork chop to feed 3 people. First, I grab this pork chop, right? I cut them into small pieces, slice it up just like this, okay? Okay, so now the pork chop became chopped pork, just like this. So what I do, I get on a pan like that, okay? I add in some flour, okay? Put the flour in the pan, add in some shoyu to the flour, okay? And make it look like a paste. Okay, you mix it all up just like this. Grab your pork, throw them in, and just mix it together with the pork. So you're actually putting one coating on the pork. Okay, the pan is hot enough. I grab this mixture and I dump it right in. Okay, and let it fry in here. Okay, you just move it around, fry it really well. What's going to happen is that the outside of the pork is kind of going to crystallize and it's going to be all nice and crispy, and the inside is going to stay juicy. Once the pork is done, but this is frozen stir-fried vegetables, okay? You can use any type of stir-fried vegetable. You can even cut your own, whatever's in the refrigerator. I'm going to dump it in. Mix it all around. Just when it's almost done, you put a squirt of oyster sauce. Okay? To finish it off, you got some chicken broth. Adding some little chicken broth over here. And what the chicken broth does, it creates this gravy, right? And guess what? Man, it's done. Check this out. Wow. There you go. Man, stir-fried pork right there. Alright, the thing looks good. But you know what? Let's see if it tastes good. Look at that. Mmm. Again, the Man and the Pan. I'll see you next week. Aloha. Oh, this thing is so good. The problem is you're gonna put them down.